friends. So today is Tuesday, which means science. And what we've been learning about in science are plants. And last week, we even put some plants in our own little thing over here. And today, we're going to learn about a plant's life cycle because plants are living, so they go in a cycle. Like a human or an animal, plants live and they have a whole cycle to them. Now, first, we're going to watch a movie that talks about the plant life cycle. All right, let's get started.
What's wrong, Moby? Of course it's not growing yet. It takes time for a seed to grow into a plant. How does a seed grow? Most plants start growing from a seed. The seed is protected by a covering called a seed coat. Inside there is a part that can grow into a new plant. Most seeds need soil, water, and warmth to grow. Moby. A small root starts to grow down, and a sprout grows up out of the ground. But what happens after the seed sprouts? The sprout uses sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil to grow, and soon it becomes a seedling. Seedlings are small and thin and have just a few leaves. As it grows bigger, it turns into a young adult plant. It's much taller and has more leaves. And then it grows into an adult plant. It'll take this seedling years to become an adult apple tree. Good question, Moby. What is an adult plant like? This orchard is filled with adult plants. They're really tall and have lots of leaves. Right, adult trees grow flowers, and flowers have an important job to do. They attract insects, birds, or even bats to help carry pollen. The pollen helps plants grow seeds. And fruit grows around the seeds to protect them. When fruit ripens and falls to the ground, the seeds inside can grow new plants. Hey, where'd that deer go with that apple? How do seeds spread to new places? I bet that deer is helping plants. Well, when animals eat fruit, they leave the seeds behind in a different place. And then the life cycle can start all over again. A life cycle shows how a living thing grows and changes during its life. Hey, I bet the wind can move seeds too. Some seeds have little tufts of hair or wings to fly to new places. Water can carry seeds to new places too. Anyway, Moby, it's going to be a while before that plant can make its own seeds. Whoa!
How cool is that? We got to see a whole life cycle of a plant. Now we're going to make our own life cycle. So this is what a cycle looks like. It goes around in a circle because it never stops. Now, the very first thing, do you remember what they said? You plant into a ground a seed. Look, this is the dirt, and here's the seed planted in the ground. That's our first part of our life cycle for a plant. It's a seed. Then with water and sun and some nutrients from the dirt, we get a sprout. Look, it's just a little tiny bit coming out from under the dirt and roots are starting. This is called a sprout. Then we need more water and sun and food, which comes from the sun and the ground. We get a little itty baby seedling. Look, it's very tiny and it has some leaves coming out, but it's not big yet. That goes down here. This is called our seedling. Seedling. That's how you spell it. And then we get more water and sun and food from the dirt called nutrients. We get a plant. Look, it's tall with leaves and roots, and sometimes, here we go, here's plant. Sometimes the plants will start to make flowers. How pretty. And then, if it only has leaves, then the leaves will do this. But if it has flowers, the flowers will do this. Because it's a full grown, it will produce more seeds, which will fall down into the dirt. And the whole cycle will begin again. Now, we planted our plants last week. Some of them, something happened. Oh, what could it be? Let's look. Come over to our very bright machine. Now in this machine, this acts as the sunlight. That's why they're able to stay inside. But here, let's look at this guy. Look at him. What is he? Is he just a seed or is he a seedling? There are some plant like leaves coming up in the top and they're very, very tiny. This is going to be very big. So which is it? Is it just a seed planted underneath the dirt with nothing, or is it a seedling? I want you to click one of the answers in the classroom underneath this video, okay? And tell me which one it is, a seed or a seedling. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all soon. Bye.